It's still a bit warm outside, but we are getting close to soup season, and Desi makes a beautiful golden zucchini soup. In fact, she would be making it right now, but she just left to pick up Rose. I'm preheating the Flav City stainless steel pot back yonder. I'm gonna start with some basic veggies. I'll take half a red onion. This is how I cut them. I'll make planks across, fingers back, sticks down, and then one more cut. It's finally back, my friends. The Flav City non-toxic cookware set is back in stock. We're doing a sale for 10% off. So use this promo code and go to flavcitycookware.com. You can buy the whole set. You can buy individual pieces like the knife and the cutting board. You're gonna love it. I actually prefer this recipe with parsnips, but I forgot to buy them when I was at the store the other day. I'll put a dice on the carrots. I'll grab 2 stalks of celery and just put a chop on those. Stainless steel pot, some extra virgin olive oil goes in. And one nice thing you do get if you buy the whole cookware set is fresh out of the washer, this. It's a bench scraper, typically used for like pastry cooking, but I use it to put food into pots and pans and to clean afterwards. It's really nice. Half a teaspoon of Celtic salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and we'll let this cook for about 8 minutes. Veggies are looking good. Meanwhile, Desi, come over here. She's back from picking up Rosie. I'm gonna grab some garlic here. Smash about 6 cloves. Peel them out of their paper. Leilani said that amount of garlic is gonna kill the devil. If you ever feel like a little tickle in your mouth or throat, you eat a raw clove of garlic. Ooh, it burns so good, man. You're gonna kick that devil down to hell. You're gonna get that devil down to hell. That's how you get him out. Oh yeah, give the garlic a rough chop here. Use the old bench scraper here, add it to the pot, and we'll cook another 4 minutes. In the meantime, we can break down the zucchinis. You need 4 green zucchinis, and you wanna peel them because you don't want the green peel to dye the color of the soup. Desi's back, and she's keeping a close eye on her soup recipe here.
All right.
So Desi said it was starting to burn, which is not really, but if it gets too toasty, never be afraid to add a splash of water like that.
Teaspoon of turmeric. This is gonna give a nice, beautiful color to the soup. I'll do about a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a little bit of cumin, like a half a teaspoon.
A crack of black pepper. Fun fact about turmeric, it needs fat. We have olive oil in there to absorb in your body, and it needs black pepper to activate. So big cubes on the zucchini like that.
Bigger, yeah.
Bigger. Are we gonna puree this soup later on?
You don't have to.
You vote now. Team chunky or team creamy? I think for this soup, I like the creaminess. There's just a ton of flavor in there. It's nice to cook the spices like that in the fat to really bloom the flavor. Zucchini goes in. Lots of new vegetation in the pan, which means we got to re-season. Good pinch of salt. A few cracks of black pepper. All right, Desi says cook with a lid on so the zucchini can exude its natural moisture for a few minutes. As usual, Desi was right. The zucchini exuded a lot of moisture and it cooked down. That's like a proper concentrate. Now, check this out. I said it's gonna be dairy-free but creamy. Coconut milk. Full fat coconut milk, never light coconut milk because that's just watered down. Toss a whole can in, followed by a half a cup of water. Give it a nice stir to get that beautiful golden color. Slap the lid back on, bring it to a simmer and set a timer for 20 minutes. I know Desi said chunky, but let's be honest here. This is a little too chunky monkey there. It looks great, it smells great, but I'm gonna take what Emerald used to call the boat motor here, very handy, this is a stick blender, and just cream it out a little bit. Wow, great flavor in there, but it does need a good pinch of salt. Nice thing about soups is they always get better the next day, but I'm not waiting until tomorrow. Plate some up here, then we'll call Desi in, the jefe, to see if she approves. I'm gonna chop some fennel tops from the garden, garnish on top. It is a really creamy, slightly sweet soup, so some salty feta cheese. We garnish with some feta and some dill.
Okay. Perfect.
Yummo?
Thumbs up.
We nailed it? Ooh, the feta was the call.
dill.
That's nice. All right, I'll type up the recipe. It's Desi's. Put it down below. Make it. Bye.